While Genshin Impact is free to play, there are still a few in-game currencies you have to earn or pay for while playing. If you've started playing recently, you know that Primogems are your main source to roll for a character or item. If you're wondering where and how you get them, this is the guide for you. For the most part, you can passively gain Primogems by playing through the game and exploring. They're given out automatically as rewards for quests and achievements, as well as items and chests. Finding things like statues of the 7 gods and waypoints can net you a handful as well. You do have to claim your awarded gems for completed achievements. A red exclamation mark will show on your achievements tile if you have unclaimed rewards, so make sure to pay attention. When talking to characters, certain dialogue options lead to potential quests and rewards. Just look for the treasure chest icon next to each text entry. If you're trying to gather enough for a wish, you can check your quest and achievements tile to see how many gems are rewarded. For a more consistent source of gems, reaching level 12 will allow you to unlock daily commissions. Just talk to Catherine in Mondstadt's Adventurers Guild. At this level, completing your commissions while the completion bonus is enabled can net you 60 Primogems a day. You'll receive more tasks as you level even higher. Once you've reached level 20 and unlocked the Abyss, clearing it will net you 2,400 gems. Level 9 and below will refresh every 2 weeks if you want to come back for another 600. More sporadic ways to come across gems include promotional events found under the events tile on your menu, and developer incentives sent via in-game mail. You can check and claim these by selecting the mail icon to the right of your main menu. A red exclamation mark will appear next to it if you've got an unread message. In the end though, the fastest and surest way to get Primogems is to simply pay for them with real money. If you open up your shop menu, you'll see a tab at the very top labeled Crystal Top Up. Selecting this will show you bundles of Genesis crystals and their corresponding price in a real-world currency. These crystals can be converted to Primogems on a 1-to-1 basis. From here, just choose how many you want to buy from the bundles presented. You'll be brought to a purchasing screen to pay for your crystals using your phone's or console's payment system. Once you've bought them, you can then convert your crystals to gems by clicking on the plus icon or tapping the displayed button next to your current Primogem account when it appears. If you liked this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Genshin Impact and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.